Good morning. Today we will do an interesting practical on the redox behavior of some of the transition metals. The transition metals that we will be looking in detail will be iron and the two valencies of iron, iron 2 and iron 3. We are going to look into the redox behavior of that. And then we will also study the manganese 7 to manganese 2 behavior. So in this practical, I am given iron 2 sulfate solution, then iron 3 chloride, potassium permanganate or potassium manganate 7, concentrated sulfuric acid and potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid 0.1 molar. So I am given two solutions of sulfuric acid. One is concentrated sulfuric acid and the other is 0.1 molar solution of sulfuric acid. So let's begin with the practical. In the first test tube, I will be taking 1 centimeter cube of iron 2 sulfate solution. Add 1 centimeter cube of sulfuric acid. This is just to acidify the solution. And then add potassium permanganate solution, 1 drop at a time. And note your observation as you see the experiment. So I keep on adding drop by drop till I don't see any change in the color. Okay, so that's the color change that you see, and no further color change even if I add more of the potassium permanganate. It just becomes darker and the purple shade is higher. Then in the next one, I am going to take a piece of starch iodide paper. So on this starch iodide paper, I will be adding 1 drop of iron 3 chloride onto this. Into another test tube, I am adding 1 centimeter cube of sulfuric acid and then add 1 centimeter cube of potassium permanganate solution, potassium permanganate solution. So you get the solution mixture there. And then I have to prepare sulfur dioxide to bubble through this solution. So let me prepare the sulfur dioxide. So here I have sodium sulfite, and to this I will be adding a few drops of I'm going to make sulfur dioxide by treating sodium sulfite with concentrated sulfuric acid. So just a few bubbles of sulfur dioxide which is coming out will be treated with the reaction mixture. So I'm adding and this sulfur dioxide which is coming is made to pass through and the solution is decolorized. To 1 centimeter cube of sulfuric acid, I am adding 1 centimeter cube of potassium permanganate, and into this I am adding sulfur dioxide. To 1 centimeter cube of sulfuric acid in a test tube again. Add 1 centimeter cube of potassium dichromate. Okay, and then bubble the, I don't know if there is the sulfur dioxide water. So your task now is to make a note of the observations and write up the practical. Include balanced equations and ionic equations for the practical that you write up. And then you got to research the relevant standard electrode potentials and explain why the reactions are taking place.